Welcome students, this is the Learning How to Draw class. I am Swapan. Today's video is specially for BFA students. Here we will learn composition fundamentals and we will discuss about the composition. So friends, today we will learn how to draw a Rathayatra special composition with human figures. At first, we will start the gesture drawing, but keep in mind that you have to draw very lightly at this stage. Here we will draw two figures who are making Rath. So friends, our gesture drawing is almost completed. Now we will gradually detail our drawing. Before detailing, you can lightly erase the gesture drawing. Follow the pose and anatomy of these figures, as both are sitting and walking on same Rath. So there must be a relation between these two figures. You can also add different kind of ornaments for adding characters. Now we will come to the second figure. Follow the proper gap. So our two figures are completed. Now come to the background. Draw some Raths of different sizes and the instruments. You can decorate the Rath as you like. Here we will draw a small window. Draw 2 steps in front of the composition. So now our composition is ready. You can add more things if you like. We will color this composition in our next video. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel. Hit the like button and share it with your friends. Good luck to you all. Stay safe and be happy. Thank you and bye-bye.